Hi guys, this is my new unboxing video, and this is a River Phoenix unboxing video. River is my favorite actor of all the times, and if you are a River fan, I highly recommend you this book. It's called In Search of River Phoenix, The Truth Behind the Myth, and it is written by Barry C. Lawrence with a foreword by William Reichert. And William is one of River's best friend, family friends, so I think that it's really cool that he wrote the foreword for the books. I buy it on Amazon, and it was a little expensive because I paid it I think 40 or 45, but this book is I think it's the best book about River, and so the price was expensive, but at the end it worth it, guys. And it was published in the October 19 of 2004, and yes, as you can see, October 2004, and it's in the first printing limited edition, so it's quite uncommon to find, I think, but you can always try on, I think that not eBay but Amazon still have some copy, so just try it, guys. And it is long, 40-50 pages, so it's pretty long. So this is the front cover, and it's really a rare pitch of River on the running on MP set in, I think, 1986. And this is the back cover. And why this book is so special? Because it showed the real River. It really went into details about River, and let's see. Okay, I got it. He starts from the day he was born to the day he died, and also he gives you a great session, like some trivia section, the filmography and the timeline, and some really cool appendix from some script and the Alika Actic memorabilia. And it's full of raw pictures of River, like this, some family picture. You can see some exclusive picture in all the book. And my favorite, they're my favorite. It's really cool. Pretty cool picture, huh? And this book shows to you the real River, not the angelic River, but River the human being, including his dark past in the children of God. And he shows it's in a sort of way this book also tried to reevaluate his imaging that was brutally destroyed by the press during the years. And at the end of the book, there is a petition to get in a River Hollywood Walk of Fame star, which a river sign photo. And at the very end, unfortunately, it's not longer available. But in the past, you can request a special DVD with the lost film of River Phoenix, which is Aren't You Even Going to Kiss Me Goodbye? That actually it was a night in the life of Jimmy Reardon. You can request the real footage and DVD, but that is not longer available. So yeah, this book is pretty cool. I put down below all the link. One link from River Phoenix Facebook page, and the other one is for it's a video with all the rare pitch that are in these books, but I highly recommend to you. If you want to read another River Phoenix book, I suggest you this. That is Last Night at the Viper Room by Gavin Edwards, which is shorter than the other one, but is more objective. It's more easy to find and even more cheap. It's very cheap. I mean, I think that it's $15.99, but I think then I get it on Amazon for like 10 or 12, so it's pretty good.